In a small, bustling town, where everyday routines often overshadow acts of kindness, a young woman named Emily decided to start a movement. Inspired by her grandmother's stories of community and togetherness, she set out on a mission to spread kindness and compassion. One sunny morning, she gathered a group of friends and headed to the local shelter. The shelter was a place where people sought warmth and safety, a beacon of hope for many. Emily's team served meals, handed out blankets, and engaged in heartfelt conversations with the residents. Their genuine smiles and attentive ears brought a sense of belonging and comfort to those who felt abandoned by society. As Emily's group continued their mission, the acts of kindness slowly rippled through the town. A teenager named Jack, who had always felt invisible, found a new purpose. He began mowing lawns for elderly neighbors, his small gesture filling their days with gratitude. Then there was Mrs. Thompson, a retired teacher, who noticed the transformative energy and decided to mentor children struggling with their studies. At the local cafe, a young barista named Mia started a pay-it-forward board, encouraging patrons to leave notes and small financial gestures for the next customer. The board quickly filled with words of encouragement, free coffee vouchers, and even offers of help for those in need. The community garden, once neglected and filled with weeds, became a vibrant space where families gathered to plant flowers and vegetables. It was here that neighbors, once strangers, exchanged smiles and stories, forging bonds that had long been absent in their lives. Even in the busiest parts of town, the ripple effect was felt. People held doors open for each other, shared umbrellas during unexpected downpours, and exchanged kind words in passing.